Dhaka Secondary School and College. I am Sir Nisar. Our topic is circular motion and gravitation. Chapter number 7. Circular motion. When a body is moving in a circular path, then the motion of the body is said to be circular motion. The movement of fan is an example of circular motion. Uniform circular motion. When a body is moving in a circular path with uniform speed, with constant speed, the motion of the body is said to be uniform circular motion. And example, the motion of electron round the nucleus of an atom, the motion of planet round the sun. These are the examples of uniform circular motion. Angular displacement. The displacement in a circular path covered by a body is called angular displacement. It is denoted by theta. Centripetal acceleration. We know that when a body is moving in a circular path, at every moment it changes its direction, so it changes its velocity. And rate of change of velocity of a body moving in a circular path is said to be centripetal acceleration. It is always directed toward the center of the circle and is represented by AC. A for acceleration, C for centripetal. According to Newton's law, when a force is applied on a body, it produces an acceleration. And here, when a centripetal force is applied on a body, it produces an acceleration which is said to be centripetal acceleration. And centripetal acceleration is always directly proportional to the square of the velocity of the body moving in a circular path and is inverse proportional to the radius of the circle in which the body is moving. Mathematically, it is written as AC proportional V square and AC proportional 1 upon R. Combining both equations, AC proportional V square upon R, when proportionality sign is removed, sign of proportionality is removed, we write a constant. Here K will be the constant. So AC is equal to KV square upon R. The value of K is equal to 1. So AC is equal to 1 into V square upon R. That will remain V square upon R because it is multiplied by 1. So AC is equal to V square upon R. What is centrifuge? Centrifuge is a process in which the heavy particle and lighter particle of the liquid are separated. And for this purpose we often use electric machine. The cream from the milk is separated by the principle of centrifuge. When a rotor moves, the lighter particles comes close to the axis of rotation and heavy particle moves away. So these lighter particles of cream can be separated from the heavy particles of the milks, and we can say that the cream can be skimmed off from the milk. Now, what is centripetal force? A force which tends to move the body towards the center of the circle is called centripetal force. And this is the force which produces an acceleration which is said to be centripetal acceleration. According to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. Here F is equal to Fc, A is equal to AC. So Fc is equal to mac. And we know that AC is equal to V square upon R. So Fc is equal to mv square upon R. Centripetal force is equal to mv square upon R. Now, what is centrifugal force? Centrifugal force, a force which tends to move the body far away from the center of the circle, is called centrifugal force. According to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. Here centrifugal force is also represented by Fc and A is denoted by AC. So Fc is equal to minus mac. Negative sign shows that the centrifugal force is the opposing force which tends to move the body far away from the center of the circle. So Fc is equal to MAC minus MAC, and Fc is equal to minus mv square upon R, because AC is equal to V square upon R. This is the centrifugal force. And when centripetal force and centrifugal force, both forces are equal, then the body will move in the circular path. But if centrifugal force increases, then the body will move far away from the center of the circle. And if the centripetal force will be greater, then the body will lead to the center of the circle. Newton law of universal gravitation. Statement: Newton explained that every body in the universe attracts to each other with a force which is always directly proportional to the product of their masses and is inversely proportional to the distance between their centers. Suppose the two bodies A and B of masses m1 and m2 are placed from each other at the distance between their center is d. So the force of attraction between both bodies is F proportional m1 m2 according to the statement, and F proportional 1 upon d square, where d is the distance between their centers. Combining 1 and 2, we get F proportional m1 m2 upon d square, and F is equal to G m1 m2 upon d square. We know that when sign of proportionality is removed, a constant is taken, and here G is the constant which is called gravitational constant, and the value of G is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. It is the unit of gravitational constant, and in CGS system its unit its value is 6.67 into 10 power minus 8 dyne centimeter square per gram square. Thank you.